Look, the slow movement. It's mean your joystick is very slow. Hello everyone, I am Defaulter. So after new update, the joystick didn't working properly. Today we have to fix the all-common issues about joystick-like, stuck, sprint sensitivity, and movement. After this video, your joystick all problems was fixed. It's possible when you watch this video at till end. So pay attention and watch carefully. Let's start at our video. The first settings is sprint sensitivity. Why your joystick give you slow response? Let's change the sprint sensitivity. Now I put it on 100%. Now on 100%, your joystick gives you fast response, but some case it's not perfect. Like cover fights, reveal your position. Like bad headshots, connectivity. The best and accurate sprint sensitivity for new update is 93%. Now your first problem was fixed. The second probably is joystick size. If you not fix this issues, then you must face bad movement and peaks issues. No, just simply follow me and prepare the placement and size. After this, you can feel the changing. The last and biggest problem is joystick stuck. It's very common mistake and it's show on mostly third layout. Now select the layout and follow me to fix this issues. So it's very important part for you. Most of guys did not attempt this setting, so please follow me and prepare it. What should you can do, so listen. Hold first the size option, then use another button to save settings. Now after this, your all problems is fixed. Headshots issues, joystick movement slow, and joystick sticking issues is not fixed. So public, if you like this video a little bit, then please subscribe this channel.